In the heart of Marvel Rivals, a powerful sorceress emerges. Scarlet Witch, also known as Wanda Maximoff, is a mid-range elusive combatant who can cripple her targets with both sustained and burst damage. Her mastery of chaos magic allows her to twist and reshape reality itself. Wanda Maximoff is adept at harnessing formidable chaos magic, casting hexes with the power to twist and reshape reality itself. Energy, space, and matter are mere playthings in the hands of Scarlet Witch. In Marvel Rivals, Scarlet Witch, also known as Wanda Maximoff, is a powerful duelist hero who harnesses formidable chaos magic to twist and reshape reality itself. She excels as a mid-range elusive combatant, capable of crippling her targets with both sustained and burst damage. Let's discuss her abilities. Chaos Control. Unleash chaos magic on enemies to deal damage based on a percentage of their max health and restore chaos energy. This ability has infinite ammo and does not require aiming. Scarlet Witch will automatically attack the nearest enemy within its radius. Hitting with this ability fuels her chaos energy, which is used to release Thonian Burst. The damage is 6 base plus 0.3% of the enemy's max health per tick. The fire rate is 10 ticks per second, and the range is a cylindrical spell field with a radius of 3 meters and a height of 20 meters. Reality Erasure. Engage in free flight while charging energy, then unleash it to deal massive damage. This ability deals 750 damage in a 15-meter spherical radius. Scarlet Witch begins to slow down immediately upon casting, with the effect gradually increasing to minus 35% by 3.5 seconds. The ability has a 4-second charge time and allows Scarlet Witch to enter a free flight state upon casting. Mystic Projection. Enter the phased state for free flight. Press again to exit early. This ability phases Scarlet Witch out of combat, making her completely immune to all damage. It has 2 charges and grants her bonus movement speed of 50% and free flight for a few seconds while phased. The duration of Mystic Projection is 2 seconds, and the cooldown for each charge is 8 seconds. Dark Seal. Land a hit on a target or the scene, or press E to generate a force field that periodically stuns enemies within range. This ability launches a chaotic bubble that periodically stuns enemies within its radius. The duration of the spell field is 4.5 seconds, with a stun duration of 0.5 seconds. The cooldown for Dark Seal is 12 seconds, and the interval is 1.25 seconds per stun. The range is a 3-meter spherical radius, and the projectile speed is 40 meters per second. The ability delay is 0.8 seconds. The effect activates upon hitting a target or environment, but can be activated early in mid-air by pressing E. Telekinesis. Hold the jump button while in the air to fall more slowly. This ability allows Scarlet Witch to control her descent, giving her extra control and keeping her out of range of melee attackers for a bit longer. It also allows her to traverse between elevated platforms without getting on the ground level, which can be dangerous for a squishy hero like Scarlet Witch. Thonian Burst. Launch explosive magic missiles that deal direct damage and create a small area of effect near the target location. This ability requires chaos energy to use and has 4 charges. Each missile deals 35 damage per direct hit and 35 splash damage. The projectile speed is 120 meters per second, and the cooldown is 0.2 seconds per charge. Chaotic Bond. When paired with Magneto, Scarlet Witch gains access to Chaotic Bond, which allows her to infuse chaos energy into Magneto's great sword, strengthening his attacks. This team-up ability grants a 10% damage boost to Magneto's attacks, making their combination a formidable force on the battlefield. There's no reason to be afraid of my magic, unless you give me one. Wanda Maximoff. known as the Scarlet Witch, wields the power of chaos magic, making her one of the most formidable beings in the universe. As the Scarlet Witch, she strives to control the chaos, bringing order to a world perpetually on the edge of destruction.
That's good. You can always count on me. We have prevailed.
Since the time stream entanglement, chaos magic has become one of the few forces holding the fabric of reality together. Wanda firmly believes that if her powers were to fail, the universe would disintegrate, taking everyone with it. This is a fate she is determined to prevent, no matter the cost.
Hey, you make a pretty good team.
The dragon unleashed!
The cosmos heals you.
The area is almost yours!
Hey team! Enjoy the
Rise, my friends! I require some aid. Stronger together.
You get a web, and you get a web, and you get a web!
My dear. These arms are dangerous.
They hit you!
Join Scarlet Witch in Marvel Rivals. Master her abilities, strategize with your team, and dominate the arena with the power of chaos magic.